So I'm at the set down stop for routes 145, S2 and N2 at the lower concourse in Heuston, which is beside platforms 5, 6, 7 and 8. From November the 24th, the buses stopping at this stop will be the 4, the N2 and the S2. So this is the stop here. It doesn't have an accessible curb, it's just a regular footpath curb. It's missing the usual features. It's probably only about 6 centimetres rather than 16 centimetres as a normal accessible curb would be. So ahead of us is a standard TFI bus pole with carousel. I'm squaring off at that. I'm going to walk forward and walk towards the customer service desk. So tapping my cane left and right, walking across the lower concourse. On my right are platforms 6, 7 and 8. That's tactile underfoot leading to a help point. But if I continue to walk ahead, let's see, you just take it handy. Oh, that's the seat. So I square off with the seat and follow the plinth on the right hand side. Oh, sorry, there's somebody there. So there's people around here. On the left, I think, is cycle stuff. There's more seating. And there's a plastic thing in front. There's a bin. There's a tap rail on the glass adjacent to platform 5. Following this will bring me up to the customer service desk. So yeah, there's a tap rail on my right hand side. And following that, there's a plastic bollard, another tap rail, and the tap rail continues. There's a bin on my right hand side, another tap rail, another bollard, another tap rail. There's the metal feet off the dynamic real-time screen, which sticks out a bit. The tap rail on the right hand side continues. And that's a little gate onto the platform 5. Tap rail continues. There's a bin straight ahead of me. Tap rail continues, another glass gate. Tap rail continues again. Sweeping the cane left and right. And tap rail, and we have another dynamic real-time screen. You can feel the metal feet of it, so you have to take it handy in case you walk into one of those, as they stick out a bit. We've got the tap rail underfoot. Sweeping the cane left and right. It turns around the corner now, the tap rail. So following that, and it should straighten out again shortly. Now we've got metal in the ground, the tap rail ends, so I'm going to switch over to the left hand side. That's for the customer service desk, another dynamic real-time screen with metal feet. And no, that's all good. We've got a tap rail underfoot. On my left, the glass to the customer service desk, coming through the glass doors, and there's plastic before the double doors for the